Hi everyone, Michelle Fixit here. So what do you do if your brake light comes on in your car when you're driving? Should you just keep driving? Should you figure it out? What do you do? Well, in the event that your brake light comes on, you maybe, just maybe, need some brake fluid. Okay? So I'm in the Transformer, which is our Chrysler 200 hardtop convertible. And I haven't been checking it as much, because normally I maintain the vehicles and look at their fluid levels and stuff like that. And the brake light came on, and I was like, oh, why? So instinctively, because I know a little bit about vehicles, just a smidgen, I immediately go to an AutoZone, because if I need fluids, might as well get there, and check my brake fluid. And my brake fluid level was low. So I'm going to add brake fluid to it. I am not advocating to just throw some fluid in it and forget about it. Normally, if you have low brake fluid, it means that you probably have leakage somewhere, because even though this is agroscopic, which means that it grabs onto water and everything, which is why you shouldn't just leave it open. And you should change your fluids, flush your fluids for your brake lines, check the color and consistency, because it should be clear. If it's not clear, then you might want to have your brakes bled. You might want to do that yourself. But I'm going to make a personal note that this vehicle needs, because it needs brake fluid, I might want to check on my brake lines. Or you could have a caliper that's going out. You could have a bunch of different things, but internally you want to check out that brake system. But to answer your simple little question of, in the event that your brake light comes on, check your fluids. You'll want to pop your hood, and then you'll want to look in your master cylinder. I'm going to show you guys really quick what mine looks like. I'm going to pop the hood and then show you where it should be versus where it is. Or you know what, for the sake of just posterity, we're just going to talk about it. Your brake fluid is either going to be a metal or a plastic reservoir. I'll show you where mine is. You're going to have a full line, and this one in particular, you actually just have it where it's up at the top, but there'll be a line for that. And if your line doesn't match up, and if you can't really tell, you can always put your flashlight on your phone and then put it on the other side if you have one of the plastic ones, and see what that level is. But yeah. And I'm going to make a little smiley face, because for porridge and stuff, not porridge isn't oatmeal, but porridge. So use my nail, make a little smiley face, or not, this one busted. And brake fluid is also heavily corrosive for paint, so make sure that you don't do anything, get it anywhere. So I busted this open. I'm going to pop the hood really quick. I'm just kind of killing time today. And dropping